Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make nachos with rice. This easy method is perfect for a quick snack or a fun meal. We'll combine crispy tortilla chips with fluffy rice and your favorite toppings for a delicious twist. Get ready to create a satisfying dish that's simple to prepare and incredibly tasty. It's a fantastic way to use leftover rice and elevate your nacho game in just a few steps. Now let's build our delicious layers. Start by spreading a single, even layer of tortilla chips on your baking sheet. Next, gently distribute about 2 cups of your cooked rice over the chips. This adds a wonderful texture and heartiness. Finally, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack, along with any other desired toppings, such as seasoned ground beef or black beans. Ensure everything is spread evenly for perfect bites. It's time to get these beauties into the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, carefully place your loaded baking sheet inside. Bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly and the chips are slightly golden. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Once out, customize with fresh toppings like chopped cilantro, sliced jalapenos, a dollop of sour cream, or a spoonful of salsa. Your incredible nachos with rice are now ready to be devoured. Using oven mitts, carefully remove the hot baking sheet from the oven. The aroma alone is amazing. Serve them immediately while the cheese is still wonderfully warm and gooey. Gather your friends and family, because these easy homemade nachos are perfect for sharing. Get ready to savor every single bite of this delightful and satisfying meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.